everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're gonna do is a BooHoo haul, and I got a lot of great stuff. A majority of the pieces were for Christmas and some of them were going to be for New Year's, so this is basically just like a holiday BooHoo haul, and all of the pieces were dresses. So we're just gonna dive right in. So this first dress that I'm going to show you is so cute. This is the one that I am going to be wearing for New Year's. It is the plus sequin wrap sleeve skater dress in size 18, and I got the color black obviously, and it's so shimmery, so pretty. So I love that it's a wrap dress and it has a zipper down the back, so you can get this more fitted and you'll still be able to get into it. I would definitely dress this either true to size or down one size. I would not size up in this one. So I got, like I said, I got mine in a US 18, and I'm a pretty standard 18 in both tops and bottoms. So yeah, this one fits so nice and I love it so much. Definitely a keeper, starting out strong. All right, so the next thing that I got, full disclosure, I actually wore this the other day. I went to Disney Springs with my family and I wore this there because it was so cute and cozy. I put on, I don't have a picture, but I had on like a black leather little knotted headband, and then I put on a jean jacket, like a distressed jean jacket, and it was so cute. So this one is, if I'm looking down, it's because I'm trying to read the details to make sure I get everything right for you guys. So this one is the plus ruffle v-neck smock dress in a size 18, also in the color black. And just so you guys know, I'll put all the details down below so you can just click the links if you like them. This one is so cute, and like I said, I already wore it, and so I washed it and dried it, and when I got it in a size 18, but it was a little too big, so I put it in the dryer, and now I think it fits perfectly. So definitely either size down with this one and then don't put it in the dryer, or you can size appropriately and then you'll be able to dry it. But I honestly, I probably would still size down. I wish I got a 16 in this, but it is so cute, and I love the little ruffle sleeves on the side. They are just like amazing. And this is like a great staple piece to have in the fall and the winter, just because you can layer it with any jacket, any shoe, and it'll look so cute. Alright, so this next one, I think this was my favorite dress for Christmas that I got. I think it was so pretty. So it is the plus floral ruffle skater dress. I got this in a size 20, and the color is blush. So first of all, they didn't have a size 18, so I got a size 20, and I was worried about that because, like I said, I'm a size 18 and typically BooHoo can run a little large, but this worked out perfectly, especially if I want to dry it. I'm sure it'll still fit great. So I would say definitely size up with this piece, and it's not stretchy at all, so I think that's why I got away with, you know, going up a size. And it says that it's the color blush, and it's this like beautiful cranberry color. Definitely not blush. If you go on the website and click on the colors, they don't correlate with the actual picture. So there was like a white one, and the color, when I clicked on it, said it was navy. So they messed up the coloring on that, but just like go with it because you'll get the color you want as long as you click on the picture. So yeah, and the back has these little little buttons to clip in the neck, so it's super cute. I love how it has so many ruffles on the sleeves and the bottom of the dress. I think it just makes a simple dress super interesting and different, and I feel like not a lot of people are wearing stuff like this right now. They're kind of just going way more simple, so I think it just adds a little something. And you can layer it with like a really cute necklace. I'm only just going to be wearing my like initial necklace, but you can definitely layer it with like another necklace and it would look so cute. All right, so this next one was the plus long sleeved tiered woven smock dress, size 18, color berry. So I thought this one was so cute. It definitely has like a little bit of tearing and ruffling at the end, which is adorable. I think it's more of a red than a berry. The last one was more of a true berry, and this one's more of a true red, I would say. It was a little bit short, I will say that. I was kind of wishing it was just like an inch longer. So I don't know. I don't know how to suggest to size this one, because I would typically say size up, but I thought it looked so good on me. So I don't know, if you don't like short dresses, definitely size up one, but if you don't mind, like me, if it's a little short, then yeah, just keep it true to size. But it's so adorable, and it's so lightweight, and the material, it's not a cottony material, but it has like a tiny bit of stretch to it. Let me see what material this is. Okay, that makes sense. So it's 95% polyester and then 5% elastane, so it gives it that like the structure, but it also makes it a little bit more stretchy, so it's comfortable. But But yeah, this is so cute for the holiday season. You can even wear this into winter. I wish I got this in black too, but I need to stop buying so many black dresses because that's been like my thing lately, is a really cute black dress. So yeah, that one was definitely a winner. All right, so this next one, I have battled with this dress before. I got it in like a tan color because it was inspired by a blogger that I follow and I love her style. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna size down because last time I sized way too large. This time I got true to size. So I got a size 18. And let me tell you what this is first before I get too ahead of myself. This is the plus tiered v-neck smock dress in the color wine. Yeah, in the color wine, and I got mine in a size 18. First of all, it's just way too baggy. Way too baggy. Definitely size down one size. I'm worried it's going to get a little too short the more you size down, so I wouldn't size down twice. I would just size down once, and I almost hit myself in the face with that. Yeah, so definitely size down with this one. I think it's pretty, but I don't really like the material. It feels kind of cheap. Like, it looks like it's well made, but the material itself is cheap, if that makes sense. So honestly, I'm just going to give up on this dress and my dreams of wearing this dress because I thought it would look so cute because the sleeves, you know, come in, but they're too big. The sleeves are too long on me. This one was a miss, so I'm definitely going to be returning this one. All right, so we've reached the point of the video where I showed you all the ones I liked, and I would just have 2 left that I don't like. Fun. Okay, so this dress was the plus soft rib frill smock dress in the color berry, and this size 18. So my problem with this one, again, was it was just way too big. It just didn't fit me properly. I probably should have sized down once or twice and it would have looked way better, but the color is kind of like dull. So if I put it against like the pretty red one, do you see the difference? This one, it's like not even, it's like a really dark purpley, almost browny shade. And I don't think it's like a flattering color on me. And yeah, I'm just gonna say this one is a strong pass. Yeah, don't get it. Okay, last but not least, I got this to try something different. I don't normally buy stuff like this, but I wanted to kind of branch out and try something new. So this one is the plus pleated high neck tie waist shift dress in size 18 in the color champagne. And it just was way too like straight and boxy for me. It reminded me of the Lily Pulitzer dresses on me because they just like never fit correctly, and I'm always like wanting them to like go in at the waist a little bit and then go out towards the hips. But it just didn't. It helped a tiny bit when I put the little tie on, but let's be honest, that's just gonna slip and fall all night and it would just bother me. So this was like a really cute concept, and the fabric is really soft and pretty and it's well made. I will say I was getting like super hot in it. It was like making me really sweaty. The sleeves were super cute though. So if you have more of like a straight body, or if you're super curvy and you don't mind this like hugging your curves, then this would definitely be a dress for you, and you can just size true to size with this one. But yeah, it didn't work for me, unfortunately. But I do have that sequins dress that I already showed you, and this was like one of my contenders for either like my birthday or New Year's, because both are coming up really fast. But yeah, it just didn't work for me. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy that you guys are liking the videos I've been putting out, and I've been trying to be super consistent with posting on Sundays. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the little bell notification so you can get alerted when I upload a new video, again, every Sunday. I try to post them at 8 a.m. so, you know, just consistency is key. But alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!